Looking for an angle grinder for welding? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 angle grinder for welding available in 2021 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect angle grinder for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Mksd US 606,467,800 concrete renovation grinder. There are times when you require the portability and versatility of a handheld grinder. For days like these, the Mksd US 606,467,800 concrete grinder has a compact design. Because of its compact size, it should be able to grind concrete in tight spaces like corners. The manufacturer describes it as a versatile model that can be helpful in both concrete grinding and metal surface grading. If it does live up to these expectations, you will get more bang for your buck. A single 7-inch diamond grinding wheel is used in the concrete preparation unit. This is a rather large grinding wheel for a handheld grinder with the potential for higher performance. When the wheel wears out, it can be replaced. The Mksd is a small, handheld single-disc concrete preparation kit with a dust control shroud, which you'll need to avoid inhaling dangerous levels of dust while working. It has 8 huge holes surrounding a larger hole in the center. Vibration dampening, optimal heat dissipation, and dust extraction are all benefits of its design. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Starting at number 4 on our list, we have the Bosch 1773 AK 5-inch concrete surfacing grinder. Another handheld device for consumers who want mobility and adaptability is the Bosch 1773 AK concrete grinder. The device is powered by a 12.5 amp motor that spins at 11,000 RPM. On a little portable device like this, that is a significant amount of power, in my opinion. The handle reaches 19.6 inches, which is a tad shorter than the 23 inches of height you get with the Mksd US 606,467,800. Working with this device, for tall people, might involve some degree of bending. The Bosch 1773 AK compensates with its lightweight form. The contraption weighs a mere 6 pounds. The weight, combined with its small make, might enable you to work comfortably and effectively on surfaces in small spaces. Unlike the Mksd model, which is a 7-inch diamond grinding disc, this concrete grinder has a 5-inch diamond disc. Because of the small grinding disc, your grinding work will take longer. Each pass grinds 5 inches of the surface. As with the first item in the evaluation, the cup wheel is detachable and changeable with this model. Because of the steel body structure, even with its limited grinding surface coverage, you get a well-built cup wheel that can sustain extended use. At number 3 on our list, we have the Mksd Diamond 166,859 Mksd G7 concrete floor grinder. With the Mksd Diamond floor grinder, you get additional power. It has a 15 amp motor that spins at 3,500 RPM. You might be able to use this instrument to grind concrete, rubber, marble, or anything else that requires a strong grinding device. Unlike the Mksd and Bosch models reviewed earlier, the Mksd Diamond grinder is a walk-behind model. This will be preferable if you are after ease during use. It is also wheeled for portability. When transporting it, you first have to disengage the grinding discs. Even though its sleek and compact design makes it appealing for smaller projects and undertakings, this grinder does pack features for industrial applications too. The dust collector connects to an industrial-grade shop vac to suck away all the dust. This will help improve the accuracy of your job and can also minimize any work-related risk of respiratory illnesses. A single 7-inch diamond grinding disc is used in the concrete grinding machine. This variant is little larger than the Bosch model we previously looked at. Heat dissipation and vibration dampening are aided by the cup wheel shape. At number 2 on our list, we have the Dewalt Angle Grinder Dust Shroud, 5-inch. The DWE 46153 is powered by an 11 amp motor that spins at up to 11,000 RPM. Its performance is comparable to that of the Bosch model reviewed above. It has a compact and portable design and weighs 8.5 pounds. Users can work around corners and edges with minimal disturbance because it is a handheld concrete grinder. With such a compact form, you won't have to worry about storage. The estimated height for the Dewalt concrete grinder is 5.4 inches. This falls far short of what the Bosch and Mksd models have to offer with their telescopic handles. It's not possible, therefore, to polish floors with this machine while standing. Like the majority of the items previously reviewed, this concrete grinder uses a single grinding disc. The 5-inch diamond grinding disc, in this case, is detachable and replaceable. There is a quick change wheel release feature to facilitate the process. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Mksd VC4710X1 12 gallons Dract Vac wet dry vacuum and 7-angle grinder. Editor's comments: the highlight of this model is a motor chamber layered with sound muffling materials to minimize the noise levels during the grinding process. The manufacturer claims that this design cuts down the noise to a bearable 59 baud. The grinder runs off a 12-amp motor that can generate enough power to polish your hard concrete. Portability is not possible in this case, given that the machine and extraction vacuum together weigh 56 pounds. The dry wet grinder features a wide set of rear wheels plus a steel caster from the wheel for balanced and stabilized movement. There is an included filter cleaning system with blowback capabilities and automation. The result is a cleaner workspace with minimal risks of clogging the engine. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.